In this video, we are going to be taking this shirt from Walmart that is $1 and we're going to be spicing it up by using Sub's white Sublimation HTV. I have used clear Sublimation HTV, but I've never actually used white Sublimation HTV. So we're going to try this out, see how well it works, how thick it is, how vibrant the colors turn out. So if you want to see how well it works, just keep watching. I also wanted to mention that you can use the code Leslie to get 12% off the Sub or Koala website. I'll have all the information down below, but do know that I am going to give my honest opinion. I would never say I just like something to make you go buy it. I'm gonna be honest. So let's see how well this works. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about sublimation and sewing. So if either of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump into checking how well this white Sublimation HTV works. For this project, we need some butcher paper, your sublimation paper. I'll be using the Koala sublimation paper. This is the 123 GSM. I'll have everything linked down below. We're going to be using the Sub sublimation heat transfer vinyl and white, heat tape, and some heat gloves. I started by uploading my design to Cricut Design Space. I sized it to the size that I wanted it, and then I selected it and created an offset, and I sized the offset to how I wanted it. I didn't want it too big, but I didn't want it too small either. And then I changed that offset to white. I then selected both layers and flatten it. But before you flatten it, make sure to duplicate the offset layer. I didn't do that here, so I duplicated the whole thing and then just made it into a basic cut. You want to make sure to print using the system dialog box. Print it on your printer. Don't mirror it until the very last step. Once you have printed your sublimation design, I like to trim it just because we have these white parts here. So I'm just going to trim around my design, and I'm going to put that to the side. I need to clean my mat, so don't judge me. But we're going to get our Sublimation HTV. We're going to trim it down to about the size that we need it, a little bit bigger. Then we're going to put it with the shiny side facing down. So there's a more matted side, and then there's the shiny side. You want to put the shiny side facing down. And now we're going to take these, and now we're going to take this to our Cricut to cut our design. We're going to weed. We're going to start off by taking our shirt and we're going to lint roll it really quick. We're going to take a Teflon sheet or a butcher paper, whatever. We're going to put it on top and we're going to pre-press our shirt for a few seconds. Get all those wrinkles out, all that moisture out. Then we're going to get our white HTV, and you want to make sure that you're putting this the right way. And you can always take your HTV and kind of fold it based on your design and kind of pinch the clear plastic just to kind of find the center of your design and line that up. Then we're going to take butcher paper or Teflon sheet and we're going to press at 320 for 10 seconds. Okay, then we want to just let it cool down for a little bit and then peel off that protective film. And you should have your white HTV on there. This is going to be so cute. Then you want to get your design that you trimmed down and you want to line that up on top. And you want to get your heat tape. You just want to make sure everything lines up. And then you want to tape it down once you have it where you want it. We're going to take our heat press and we're going to set it at 392 degrees for 30 seconds. And I'm just going to wait for this to heat up now. Okay, we're going to take our shirt. Now that our heat press is heated up to 392 degrees, we're going to get our shirt. We're going to get a piece of butcher paper and put that on top. And then I'm going to get a piece of Teflon sheet and putting that on top as well just to protect my shirt. And then we're gonna press for 40 seconds. Then we're gonna take off our Teflon and butcher paper. I'm gonna let this cool down for a second and then I'm gonna peel off that sublimation paper. Once it's cooled down, you can easily just peel off your sublimation paper. Okay, my lining up skills are not the greatest apparently, but it's still cute. Look how cute that is. But it's still cute and my daughter's still gonna love it. Will she notice the flaws? I don't know, we'll see. But what I really do like about this HTV is that it's really light. It's not really thick and I really like that. So it turned out so cute. Don't pay attention to my lining up job. I was struggling a little bit to line it up. I'm not gonna lie. I was struggling to line it up. But the colors are pretty. The colors are pretty. The colors are very pretty. What I really liked about this white Sublimation HTV is that, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's really thin. I feel like some HTVs are really thick and I don't feel like this one is, which I really like that. And I like that white HTV allows you to sub on things that are not polyester. I almost said cotton. What is going on with my brain? But if you guys try this out, I have this link down below so you guys can also try out. Something I did notice though, and I don't think this is with the design, but is that you can see specks of the color of the shirt everywhere. Like, can you see it right there? Like the pink everywhere, so keep that in mind. I'm pretty sure that's not from the design itself because it's even on the white parts. But I don't mind it. It's still cute. The colors are beautiful. And if you find that you have paper rusted, you can take like a wet cloth and just wipe it off really quickly. But I loved how it turned out. If you guys found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Links will be down below. Use the code Leslie for 12% off. Bye guys.